up, guys? That's me. Roblox Unknown Playground. So that's why I showed you this post about why they deleted the oof sound. So let me tell you this story. Since they deleted this oof sound, the Roblox just found some wanted to delete this thing. Roblox just found this update and they changed the sound. Look what's the sound. That's what's the sound, and this is very bad sound, and people are completely sad. Even the Twitter, they are already making some. Everybody's freaking out right now. This is very bad. Yeah, right, guys? Are you agree, guys? Because this sound doesn't. This new sound doesn't belong to us, but this sound still belongs to us. But I just have to just about the new. But I think I will have a new oof sound. Well, you can literally see, guys. This is my new nuke shirt, right? I hope I will have oof sound. So you can literally see. This is my shirt. Let's see if the oof sound is still on. Okay. So guys, my room is completely gone. Look at my face. Look, this very sad face. Yeah, you just saw it, right? And I don't even know why they deleted it for something else. So guys, if you're seeing this video, it makes me feel completely sad. Yeah, I don't like this thing. But like and subscribe, and I'll make some more about videos too. So bye.